Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I'm coming for you.
Okay, so half of me looks cute, you know, this part here. Okay, look, this is literally how I woke up in the morning and I haven't even touched it, but we have a surprise. So today, or not even today, a lot of you guys have blown up in the comments everywhere. How do you do those cute buns? Where's the cute bun? We need a cute bun tutorial. Oh my God, they're so cute, your little cute buns. A bun. My friends are yelling at me about edges. So today I'm here to give you a bun / edges tutorial, but the edges was gonna come anyway with it because without a bun and no edges, it's just sad, bitch, sad. This is my hair fourth day, I think. I don't let it get past the 4th day because it ends up looking like this. And some of you might have the energy and confidence to do this. I give kudos to you because this is not it for me. But we're gonna switch this up. We're gonna change this up, okay? We're gonna do a cute bun tutorial today. Me and my best friends, we're gonna go, I don't know, do something. And they wanted me to look cute. So we're gonna be doing the cute bun tutorial, okay? Yeah, right. There's not really much you need, but there is a lot that you need. With me, whenever I do buns, my friends' buns, anybody freaking buns, I use 20,000 things. And I like my hair real slick. I got a lot of it, and it's gotta go up, sis. It's a lot of it. So I like to use the Eco Styler, the clear one. I personally feel like this is the best one. Y'all can argue in the comments by yourself, but that's just the tea. And then I also like to use the Curling Enhancing Smoothie. This is by Shea Moisture. I've been using this for so long and it's so bomb. Also, if you use Eco Styler a lot, you realize that not a lot of products work with this. And it's really hard to find a product that does. So, yeah. Water bottle. I love how I'm explaining this, even though you're gonna see it throughout the video, but just don't mind me, okay? Some oil. I feel like I'm doing a cooking show, oh my God. And the trusty got some glue. Ooh, also, oh my God, somebody's gonna be like, Tatyana, what's going on here? If you don't know, now you know. This go crazy. This is really bomb. Only thing is that it flakes your edges. So I'll show you how I combat that. Now just, sit back and watch me try to get ready for the day. Okay, I have something to say. If you have a lot of hair, like hella hair, like me, those big rubber or elastic, it's not even elastic, it's just like the hair ties, get the big ones. I'm literally out of breath because I was like a workout, oh my God. Get the big ones because them small little babies, I've broken so many scrunchies and things like that. It's real good out here. It's not it. It's not it. Just trust me. Just trust me. So one thing I like to do is I like to take a t-shirt that I usually don't care about, that I usually like dry my hair with. I take off the excess, like any got to be, anything like that off my edges, only because the edge booster, it just doesn't work well with like hella product on top of it or under it, so it just works better by itself. I know this is crazy, but trust me, you're gonna get your best results just like these. Okay, so I just did this. This literally does not take that long. Actually, I'm gonna pull this up a little bit so it doesn't make a weird indent or something. But this hairstyle does not take long, I promise you. Like, I usually do this when I know I gotta look cute sometime soon and my hair isn't doing what it needs to do. So like, I like to put 2 scrunchies only because I feel like one doesn't really get, like when I tie it up, it's not as scrunchy as I want it to be, if that makes any sense. So I put like the scrunchie I really want to wear on top and like a regular scrunchie I have on the inside to really tie that bun up. But I'm probably gonna let this sit for a minute and then I'll come back when my hair is, I don't know, dry or something, okay? Alright, I'll be back. Okay, I forgot about you guys for 2 seconds. I'm so sorry. Okay, I wanted to do a review, but technically you can see what's going on. I just did my makeup because I have to go somewhere later. But this is pretty much it. I'm gonna put some water low-key. Sometimes the gel wants to turn white when it's like, I don't know, setting or whatever. I don't know. Once you put a little bit of water on it, loosen it up, it's gonna be okay. Yeah, this is pretty much my top knot bun. It's like one of my little, I guess like a ballerina bun in a way, but it's so cute. And I still have edges, thank God. Thank God, because the wigs be trying to take them, but yeah guys, this is how I do my buns. I hope you liked it. I'll see you later in another video. Okay. Bye. Oh, make sure you subscribe, please.